2 websites to make $100 per day. All you gotta do is go to this website, find a profitable offer that's converting at a high percentage, and then just use this software to generate traffic to your offer and make sales. Hi folks, Todd Dow here, and on this YouTube channel, we go over all things make money online. Every video on this channel is about making money online, whether it's driving traffic, building a website, or just generating commissions for products that you don't even own. So I would encourage you to go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube video, and then go ahead and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified exactly when I come out with a new video on this channel to show you exactly what you need to do to make money online. So the strategy that we're going over today is called affiliate marketing, but we're going to utilize software in order to drive traffic instead of paying for ads on Facebook, YouTube, Bing, everywhere else that you can buy traffic from. You're going to be able to utilize Instagram and harvest traffic from Instagram using this software, and you're going to be able to basically go to this website and find offers that you can promote right now that'll give you the highest conversions and then money in your pocket at the end of the day. So let's go ahead and hop on over to my computer where I'm going to share with you the exact websites you need to go to, how to find the offers, and then how the software actually works. So the first website you want to go on is called Warriorplus.com, and on Warriorplus, it is a affiliate network. Okay, you're going to be able to find all types of make money online offers on this platform. And the thing about this network that's unique is that the offers don't cost that much for people to purchase, so that's why they converted at a higher rate. So if you look at this column right here, it says conversion rate. You want to look for offers that are fresh, brand new, within the last week, 2 weeks, even a month. And then you want to look at the conversion rate and see how high it is. Okay, like even 6% is high, even 4% is high, but you want to try to find offers that have the highest amount of conversion rate, and then you also want to have to see how many sales they have. So this other column right here is how many sales that product has accumulated just on the network. And then this other column right here is the visitor value, otherwise known as EPC, earnings per click. If you send visitors over to this website, how much are they going to be worth? $3.56. Okay, they figure these numbers out obviously by the traffic that hits the website, and then out of those people, how much actually converts, which is at this point 15%, which out of 100 people, 15 sales is what you would make. And then at the end of the day, if they have upsells behind the product, which this one does, you're going to be able to make money off of the commissions on the back end. And that's why this number is higher than a lot of these other numbers down here, because these other ones, you know, their upsells probably don't convert that well, or you know, whatever the case is, like it just isn't converting as high as this right here. So whenever you're looking on this website, you want to look for offers that have a high conversion rate, a nice amount of sales, 2,000, 1,000, even 500 is good enough to get started, depending on how fresh the offer is. And then look at how much earnings per click you're going to be able to make with it. And then the crazy part about it is if you click on any one of these offers, it's also going to share with you exactly like how much you can actually make up to. So you can make up to $219.71 just from one customer coming through the door through this website and this product, because they have upsells behind front end product. So at this point, what I would do, obviously, once you've gone ahead and signed up for Warriorplus, which is free to do so as well, and you get your account set up, you're going to have to request your link for each and every single offer that you want to promote. So you want to try to actually do this in advance so that when you do use the software, you already have your affiliate link. So as you can see right here, this is your affiliate link. And just like Amazon, just like any other affiliate program, they're going to pay you commissions. The difference here is that they give you 50% commissions on this product, and most products pretty much across this entire network. You're going to be able to generate. And so that's the cool thing about it, guys, is that you're going to be able to do that and utilize this. But let's say, for example, let me go ahead and click on an offer right here that I have not gotten approved for yet, so we can actually see the process and how it works. So if I click on this, it says Zen new iWatch. Okay, I already have the link for that. Let's go down here. Okay, let's just click on this for example purposes. And if I click on this link right here and I go ahead and go over to this right here, it's going to tell me all the stats. You can make up to $700 off of this product. And you see this thing that says request approval. When you click on that, it's going to ask you to put in like pretty much like this is, you're speaking to the vendor, the person that owns the product, and you're asking them if you can get if you can promote their product. So I usually say something like, hi, I would love to promote your product to my network and email lists. Email list. This offer fits really well with my audience. Okay, so we have that. Then I would go ahead and hit request the offer, and then it may take an hour, it may take 2 hours, it may take 6 hours. It just all depends for them to actually approve your request. And once you do get approved, then basically it'll open up just like the page I showed you here, where you have the affiliate link. So this is all you're really worried about, is getting this affiliate link, because anytime somebody clicks on this link and then goes ahead and purchases through your link, you're going to get a commission for it. So I want to go over to the software part of start and tell you guys exactly how this works. And so like if I go right here, this website is called GrabsIn. So basically, if you click the link, there's a link in the description of this YouTube video, go into this website, and it's a software that utilizes and extracts traffic from Instagram in a very targeted way. Okay, and so how I utilize this software, I'm going to show you the back end office of this as well. But how I utilize this software is basically I do my due diligence, that I actually build up the Instagram account, follow unfollow method. That's free, right? Basically, this software allows you to go ahead and message your followers. Okay, so if you got followers, or even the people that you are following, you can actually send them a DM or a message, and you can send it in bulk, which is pretty cool, because then that's how you basically get your traffic. So if you're engaging back and forth with individuals, having a conversation, and then you pop your link in there to an affiliate product, which you're going to be able to pick on any one of these networks, then if they purchase, obviously you're going to get a commission for it. So that's the cool thing about this software, is that you can actually utilize it to mass or bulk message people. You can actually schedule your post. So this is what the back end office of the software actually looks like. This is a brand new account. I wanted to show you guys. Didn't want to reveal my niches or any of my Instagram accounts, but you're going to be on the home tab. And once you click on the home tab, obviously you're going to be able to see all of your stats, how many messages are in queue, how many messages failed to send, notifications, it pretty much galore here. Okay. And so right here it says import Instagram. This is where you're going to add your Instagram account. I highly suggest creating a brand new page, or using an old page that you don't really care about. Change the name over to something that's relevant to the niche that you're going to promote your product or products in, and then just go to work with that. Okay, and then obviously right here you can see the Instagram ads. You can create the Instagram ads straight from this back end office, because it allows you to design your own Instagram posts. And so the whole objective here is to post every single day with the software. And the cool thing is that you can actually schedule a post. So like whenever you click on this icon here, you can schedule a post, schedule several posts, and have them in queue. Shoot, you can even do the whole week. Within a few hours, you can do the whole week worth of posting, have them all scheduled, and then you don't have to worry about it. Okay. And then they have a hashtag generator. There's plenty of hashtag generators out there, but this one is actually built-in API. So whenever you pop in a keyword into this field right here, it's going to give you all the relevant hashtags that you need to get the most juice out of your post whenever you're posting. Okay, so you're not only going to get traffic from the hashtags, but obviously I'm going to show you something that you're going to be able to start building up your account without actually spending money on ads or any of that crazy stuff. But you can see right here it says bulk message, and you can see Instagram DM. So this software will allow you to bulk message your followers or your following in order to engage with them and build that rapport and that relationship with them. I highly suggest whenever you're utilizing this, don't just spam them with your links. You're going to get banned from Instagram very quickly doing it that way. So just try to have a conversation, have your first message, just conversational, basically trying to get as many answers out of them as possible. And what you want to do is basically solve a problem, which is to make extra money online. And there's not a soul that I've found that doesn't want to make money online. Okay. And that's basically, in a nutshell, these two websites are going to be able to help you to make $100 per day. Once you plug this in and then you utilize your affiliate links here and you start having those conversations, like I said before, you're going to be able to close deals. Okay, so it only takes a lot, pretty much 13 sales in order to make $100. Okay, if you're running this software consistently and driving all that traffic to your affiliate links, it's pretty easy to be able to get those 13 sales. Okay, so because if you look right here and you see this offer that they have up here, it's gonna like, if it's converting at 14%, guys, that's 100 visitors and 14 conversions within that. Okay, and so I also like to look for products that have a low refund rate as well. I definitely don't want to have products like this with a 40% refund rate. You want to have like 1%, 2%, 4%, or whatever. 4% is actually the highest I will go. 7% is extremely high for an offer. Okay, and so with that being said, like, again, guys, as well, but I actually have a review. I have some bonuses that I want to share with you just for getting this software. Okay, so once you get this software, and whenever you click the link below this video, you're going to access this page. I go in more depth exactly how the software works. I show you the back-end office, everything there. I tell you all the details of it. But this product's only $17, guys. This software is only $17. I went ahead and got this upsell, and then I skipped around and I got the second and the third upsell because I just wanted it to be on complete autopilot. I don't even want to think about it. I don't want to even come up with the Instagram post. I know it sounds lazy, but with these upsells, it allows you to be able to do that. Okay, so what I'm doing right here, you can see the demo of the product, everything, but I have bonuses that I'm going to be giving to you once you purchase this through my link right below this video. Okay, so once you click right below this video, you're going to gain access to this page where you can see that my first bonus is worth $997. Now, the product that you're going to be purchasing is only $17. So you're going to get this $1,000 product that I have. Which is my product, my ecom course, where I created $1.2 million within 6 months of running ads here. Okay, and I have a 35 video series that you're going to be able to watch. It's a case study on exactly how I did this stuff here. The product, the website, everything is included in that. Okay, so once you click any one of these buttons on the page and go ahead and purchase, you're going to be able to access these affiliate promotions. Okay, so the second bonus I'm giving away is worth $297. It is basically my Facebook ads course, and as you can see right here, phenomenal results. 4,000 conversions right here, 2,000 conversions right here, 62,000 in ad spend right here, $119,000 in ad spend right here, and I was able to create some monster results with 330,000 in purchases here, 186,000 in purchases here. So I got a 3x here, and I have a 2x ish here as well. And so that definitely, you're going to be able to access this Facebook ad secrets. These videos are behind the over the shoulder, so you're going to be able to see over my shoulder exactly how this works, how to set up everything step by step, turn by turn, right? So bonus number 3 is worth $97. A lot of people have been asking me about affiliate marketing tutorials on how to actually start making money with YouTube just by uploading videos. And so I actually created actually a little bit more than 3 videos on exactly how to actually do this. And they're pretty in depth. I go over step by step, uploading videos, how to get them ranked. Everything is is added in there, as well as that on that third bonus. So the fourth bonus is the Instagram cheat code. Now this goes well with this offer because I'm showing you behind the scenes how I spent $35K on ads for Instagram and showing you the results of that as well. Okay, and so you get to learn my secrets on how I actually build out an Instagram page with actual ads, and then you can compare it to obviously the results that you get from the software that you're purchasing today. So with that conclusion and everything, basically what I'm doing is I'm giving you all of my bonuses that I have for several different products, And you're going to have access to all of these bonuses in addition to the software that you're going to use to drive traffic from Instagram to your affiliate links on the website called Warriorplus. Okay, so with all those being combined there, you can access all of this information, but obviously it's not going to be here forever, guys. At midnight tonight, this offer will go away and you're not going to be able to access any of these bonuses, but if you wanted to, you can still purchase the product from that link. Okay, and so with that being said, guys, I look forward to helping you to continue to grow your business and to create those $100, $200, $400 days just by utilizing the strategies I've been teaching you on this YouTube channel. You guys take care, and I definitely will see you at the top.